Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Sis Christina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, mega love shout out sa ating lahat. Ayan, lalo na sa aking team Lodi at sa aking mga ka-YT world. Ayan, so good day sa ating lahat, guys. So, andito pala ako, guys, kasi may isa akong babatiin na nagsi-celebrate sa kanyang birthday. Walang iba kundi si Sis Christina. So, Sis Christina, good day sa'yo, sis, at happy birthday, and more birthdays to come in your life, and always good health. Ayan, so, sana, Sis Christina, masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Ayan, ito lang din masabi ko sa'yo na lagi kang mag-iingat, lalo na sa work mo. So, good luck and more blessings to come, and God bless, and once again, happy birthday. So, kahit dito lang tayo sa YT nagkakilala at masaya ako na maging kaibigan tayo. So, dito lang, sis, and more blessings to come. God bless. Thank you. Love you, Sis Christina. Bye-bye.
Hello, Sis Christina. Today is your special day. I just want to say happy birthday to you, Sikoy. At wish ko lang po na sana ikaw ay palaging malusog at masayahing tao. Kahit sa dami nating ginagawa araw-araw, ipagpatuloy po natin ang ating pagmamahal sa ating ginagawa para hindi natin maramdaman ang pagod. At ngayon, gusto kong magbigay ng maiksing awitin para sa iyo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sikoy, Sis Christina. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hello guys, this is another mega love shout out. Guys, pasensya na kayo ha. Di masyadong makasupport kasi busy na ako. Nag-aaral na yung alaga ko. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Ngayon may friend tayo na si Sis Christina. Kaarawan niya ngayon. Binabati ko siyang happy birthday. Sis, may the Lord bless you and guide you always. Sana mabigyan ka pa ni Lord ng long life at good health. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Sana magkita-kita tayo pag may time. Kaso busy palagi tayo. Busy talaga tayo sa ating life. Pag may time, magkikita-kita din tayo. Okay, sis? Happy birthday. May the Lord bless you and guide you always. I love you, sis. Mwah. Dito lang ako mag-support pag may time. Hello, guys. Bye. God bless you always. Happy birthday. Bye.